Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing an unboxing of my first ever order from Klarity Kosmetics. I've been eyeballing this indie brand for quite some time, so I picked up a few items during their sales. So if you want to see what I picked up, stay tuned. They packaged these things so cute. Look at these. Individually wrapped with all these different colors. It's so cute. They got a little baggie in here of goodies. So I'm looking forward to seeing what those are. A couple of things I got was their cream lip lacquers in Girl Please and Puppy Love. These look nice. So this one is Puppy Love. And this one is Girl Please. They look like they're very creamy lip lacquers. Yep, they say they are a creamy formula. All these items that I'm unboxing today, I will do a separate video on them. Actually doing a wear test, testing new makeup video. So if it's anything in particular you want to see first, just let me know in the comments. Nice packaging. Like I said, it was beautiful. And this is a lot of bubble wrap. That is nice. Let's see how the palette looks. This is the Komodo palette. I eyeball some of these things for a while and then I decide whether I want to get them when the time comes, when they're on sale. It has a mirror in it and a sleeve. And that's what that looks like. So pretty. I will, like I say, do dedicated videos to these, and I will do swatches and all that good jazz whenever I do those. This is my favorite color. Let's see what palette is wrapped up in the pretty paper. Purple. It just goes on and on and on. This is the Croc palette. It's a sleeve. Oop. This one has a boo-boo on it. So I'm going to open it very carefully. But this shadow here is busted, as you can tell. With all that it received as far as packaging goes, that must be a very sensitive shade here. Let me see if I could push on it. It's very soft. Very soft. I'm pushing it down back in there, so see if that will help. Yeah, that's unfortunate. It got busted on. It's a lot of packaging around that for that to have done that. But all right, let's give you a closer look at the palette. I try to clean it off as much as I can and push that shade back in. Isn't that a beautiful palette? The one that got a little busted is Crocodile Tears. I'll go ahead and swatch that one since it's already on my fingers. It's a pretty shade. I have to be a little more careful opening those up if any of the other ones are done like that. But like I said, for it to have as much packaging in it as it does, that don't make any sense unless the mailman got a little too rough throwing it around. It might be just that it's a softer shade. All right. So then we has a little sticker on it. Someone went through a lot of trouble carefully wrapping these. This is the Cashmere Press bronzer that I ordered. It's in the shade 100 Degrees. That's what that looks like. That's what that shade looked like, 100 degrees. I'm finishing up a couple of my bronzers, so I figured I'll give some other brands a try. They use the same tape that they put on the outside of their boxes to tape these ends of this bubble wrap together. And this is a cashmere pressed blush. So I wanted to try several things from the line. No boys allowed. It's gonna be a nice shade. If any of you are interested in a makeup collection video, just let me know. I've been a makeup enthusiast for so long, and I've had items in and out of my collection. I've done declutters and over the years giving them to friends and family, and I've kind of fine-tuned what I do have, but every now and again I still go through things. This is another cashmere pressed blush that I picked up. And this is in the shade You Got Me Blushing. And that's what that one looks like. So let's now open up this little goodie bag to see what they gave me as freebies. It gave me a single shadow, it looks like. It says Pressed Pigment Eyeshadow. It gave me 2 shades here. One is in this pretty heart-shaped packaging. That's a little darker, and the other one is another heart-shaped packaging. Let's see what's the name of these. I do have some Z palettes with, and Sydney Grace palette thing with single shadows in it. This one is Vacation Foiled Shadow. And this one is Coquette. It's a pretty shade as well. Then they gave me 2, what are these? Liquid lipsticks. One is in Girls Trip and Maybach. This is Girls Trip. It's a nice pink color. Have to see what it looks like on my lips. Nice way to let you try some of the other items that they have on their site. That's it for everything I picked up from Klarity Kosmetics. Like I said before, if you're looking forward to seeing any of those items in particular, just drop it down in the comments section below. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.